Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix the issue which is while you're trying to update your Windows 11 PC and you are getting the error which is get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date. Your version of Windows has reached the end of service. This issue because of the version of your Windows 11 could be outdated. For checking the version, right-click on this PC and click on Properties. Here you can see the version of the Windows 11. My case, it is 22H2. It is already outdated. So fixing this issue, you have to update the latest Windows 11 version 25H2. This update either you will get on the Windows Update here itself, or you have to install it from Microsoft website. For that, search for Windows 11 New Version Download. Then click on Download Windows 11. Here, click on Download Now to download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. After downloading, click on it to install. Here, click Accept and Install and then continue the installation. This will install latest version of Windows 11 on your system. That's it.